The buck right there. Yeah, he's coming towards me and then he saw me and took off. Look at that. Dust devil. Oh my gosh. The wind is kicking up all this dust. Quite a gust. Feel the dust. Beautiful fall day. We got quite a hill here. I've climbed it many times. I made a YouTube video about it or two when I first did it because it was such a challenge, but I've done it so many times that it's pretty easy for me now. But I know what to do. I know what to do. I mean, it is challenging, but it's a challenge that I'm used to. So we're gonna climb it and I'll take you with me. It's gonna be kind of slow, but it's beautiful all around. We've got all these cedar trees giving us lots of shade. And then all the other trees are losing their leaves. That red oak tree hasn't even started changing colors yet, but it will. Those leaves will turn red soon and fall off. We are going uphill. This hill's long and it gets steep towards the top. Closer you get to the top, steeper it gets. I'm going to use this trekking pole to help propel myself up the hill once it starts getting really steep. Just going to go like this, and I use my arm to compensate for my missing leg, my right arm to compensate for my missing right leg. And that seems to do the job. Seems to help me do the job. Haven't started using it yet, but it has gotten pretty steep. So now I'm going to pull out this pole and start using it like this. Climbing. Quite a few hills in this area, but I'd say this is the longest, steepest one. There's a few that are a little steeper, but well, actually there's one that's not as steep, it's longer, and there's one that is steeper that's shorter. So they're just little ways up ahead. But this is a pretty nice one. So here comes a vehicle. I can hear it. It's gonna come flying over the top of the hill. I gotta get over here to the right. It's gonna have a lot of dust behind it. They're not expecting me, so they're going fast. So yeah, I'm gonna get dusted, but that's okay. It'll dissipate pretty fast. Yeah, there it is. Take a breath. All right, almost there. Yes. Haha. Made it to the top of the hill. Thanks for joining me, y'all. That was Mary's Climb, just south of Marysville. We're in Marysville, Texas. In Marysville, Texas, just south of the Marysville Church. here. It seems like the wind is just always so much faster out here by these windmills than what's predicted. It's predicted to be windy, but not this windy. So, oh, we just gotta see if we can go faster than all these leaves if the wind's blowing down the road. I think we can, because we got wheels and they don't. Man, I gotta slow down. That wind is just pushing me to amazing speeds. I have to slow down. End up going 60 miles an hour with this tailwind, not even pedaling.